Microwave. Come on. Let's get through the city with it. Bring your ass on. It's a lot to put in my truck right now. Ride with a nigga, but keep your mouth shut. A real dope boy, I got this shit stashed up. I gotta make a couple stops before I hit my spot. I can't pull over right now, this shit real. Too much going on in my head, I'm being real. I get to thinking about how they tryna fuck me over. I get to thinking about how they tryna do me wrong. But I got the Draco in the back of the truck. 4x4 black, I never play with a nigga. 4x4 black, they never play with a young nigga.